Hello everyone, my name is Randy Carroll, and today I'm going to demonstrate for you how you can turn any individual property page into a QR code. This is particularly useful in the event you are having an open house and you want to give someone the option to scan the QR code to see additional property details of the open house that you're hosting, and also point them in the direction of downloading the app. It's best if you do this from the desktop. It's easier, I should say. It's possible to do it through the app, but ultimately, or through your phone, but ultimately doing it from your desktop is the easiest because you can turn pretty much any page on the internet into a QR code. So you can do this from Follow Up Boss or from the Ruuster dashboard. That is simply up to you. I will show you how to do this through each. Quite frankly, it's the exact same process. If you click in the search listings button here inside the Ruuster embedded app and look for the property that you want to be creating QR code for the sake of example, it could be your open house. You'll want to find the property, click into the details page, click on this share button. Now remember, this is for people theoretically who are coming into an open house. So I would actually want to force them to register. So make sure you have enable for this link selected under force registration. Click copy URL, and that's now copied to your clipboard. What I do next is open up a new tab, right click, paste, pull up this property page here. Now, if you click on these three dots, I'm using Google Chrome. It's going to give me a drop-down menu. If I scroll down to find Cast, Save, and Share, hover over this, navigate over to Create QR Code, click on this, and now I've got a QR code specifically for this property page. I can copy this or download it and then print this out, have this open at my open house, etc. But now you've got a QR code that is unique to this property page. Same process from the Ruuster dashboard. Search listings, find your listing, share, enable, copy URL, paste. Click on this drop down of this three dots here in the upper right hand side for Google Chrome. Scroll down to Cast, Save, and Share, and find your QR code. All right, folks, that's all for today. Thanks so much.